Are you struggling to keep up with marketing trends and wasting hours on tasks that should be automated? You're not alone. In this video, I'm revealing 6 of the top AI new tools for marketing that will save you time and boost results instantly. Let's get started right now. As we explore the various artificial intelligence tools available, we will highlight their benefits. Also, showcase how they can empower businesses to make data-driven decisions and optimize their marketing efforts. Staying ahead in the digital marketing game requires adaptability and a willingness to embrace new technologies. Therefore, understanding and implementing artificial intelligence tools is no longer optional. It is essential for any business looking to thrive in this competitive environment. Join us as we uncover the transformative power of AI in digital marketing and how it can elevate your business to new heights. The first tool is Murf. This tool is revolutionizing the way content creators approach voiceovers by transforming written text into natural-sounding audio. This innovative tool utilizes advanced AI technology to generate high-quality voiceovers that resonate with listeners, making it an invaluable asset for marketers, educators, and content creators alike. One of the standout features of Murf is its ability to produce professional-grade voiceovers without the need for expensive recording equipment or extensive audio editing skills. This efficiency allows users to save time and resources, enabling them to focus on crafting compelling content rather than getting bogged down by technical challenges. With just a few clicks, users can convert their scripts into engaging audio, streamlining the content creation process significantly. Moreover, Murf offers a diverse range of voices and languages, allowing businesses to tailor their messaging to various audiences effectively. This capability is particularly beneficial for global brands seeking to connect with customers from different cultural backgrounds. By selecting from a variety of voice options, users can ensure that their content resonates with the intended demographic, enhancing engagement and comprehension. Whether it's a formal presentation, an educational video, or a casual podcast, Murf provides the flexibility to match the tone and style of the content perfectly. This level of personalization not only improves the overall quality of the content but also fosters a deeper connection with the audience. In a world where attention spans are short, delivering messages in a relatable and engaging manner is crucial. Murf empowers content creators to achieve this by providing them with the tools they need to produce high-quality voiceovers that captivate listeners. By leveraging Murf, businesses can enhance their content creation efforts, ensuring that their messaging is both impactful and accessible to a diverse range of audiences. The second tool is Brandmark, a powerful tool that simplifies the logo creation process for businesses, enabling them to develop professional logos quickly and efficiently. The journey begins with users entering their business name and selecting their style preferences, which can include various design elements, colors, and themes that reflect their brand identity. This intuitive process allows Brandmark to generate a range of logo options tailored to the specific needs of the business, ensuring that the final design resonates with the target audience. In today's competitive market, consistent branding across all platforms is crucial for establishing a strong identity and fostering brand recognition. A well-designed logo serves as the cornerstone of this branding strategy, as it is often the first impression potential customers have of a business. By utilizing Brandmark, companies can ensure that their logo aligns with their overall branding efforts, creating a cohesive look across websites, social media, and marketing materials. This consistency not only enhances brand visibility but also builds trust and credibility with consumers. Additionally, Brandmark offers a cost-effective solution for startups and small businesses that may have limited budgets for design services. Traditional logo design can be expensive and time-consuming, often requiring multiple revisions and consultations with professional designers. In contrast, Brandmark provides an affordable alternative that delivers high-quality logos in a fraction of the time. This accessibility allows emerging businesses to invest in their branding without breaking the bank, giving them the opportunity to compete with larger companies. By streamlining the logo creation process and offering a range of customizable options, Brandmark empowers businesses to establish a professional presence in the market quickly. Ultimately, this tool not only saves time and money but also equips businesses with the branding essentials needed to thrive in a crowded landscape. The third tool is Metricool, an innovative tool designed to streamline social media management, making it easier for businesses to maintain a strong online presence. One of its standout features is the ability to schedule and automate posts across multiple platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. This functionality allows users to plan their content in advance, ensuring a consistent posting schedule without the need for constant manual updates. By automating posts, businesses can save time and focus on other critical aspects of their marketing strategies while still engaging their audience effectively. Additionally, Metricool offers robust analytics features that track performance and engagement metrics, providing valuable insights into how content is resonating with followers. Users can monitor key performance indicators such as likes, shares, comments, and overall reach, enabling them to assess the effectiveness of their campaigns. This data-driven approach allows businesses to make informed decisions about their content strategy, optimizing future posts for better engagement and reach. Another significant advantage of Metricool is its competitor analysis feature, which helps businesses understand their market landscape. By analyzing competitors' social media activities, users can identify trends, successful strategies, and content gaps that can inform and refine their own marketing efforts. This insight is invaluable for staying ahead in a competitive environment, as it allows businesses to adapt their strategies based on what is working for others in their industry. By leveraging the information gathered through competitor analysis, companies can enhance their content, engage their audience more effectively, and ultimately drive better results. In summary, Metricool equips businesses with essential tools for managing their social media presence. From scheduling and automating posts to providing in-depth analytics and competitor insights, making it an indispensable resource for any brand looking to thrive online. The fourth tool is Go High Level, a comprehensive marketing platform designed to enhance marketing efforts for businesses of all sizes. One of its key features is its ability to manage client relationships effectively while automating various marketing tasks. With Go High Level, users can streamline their customer interactions through a centralized CRM system that tracks leads, manages communications, and nurtures relationships. This automation not only saves time but also ensures that no potential client is overlooked, allowing businesses to focus on building meaningful connections and driving conversions. Another significant aspect of Go High Level is its capability to create and optimize sales funnels. Users can design customized funnels that guide potential customers through the buying process, from initial awareness to final purchase. By utilizing built-in templates and analytics, businesses can test and refine their funnels to maximize conversions, ensuring that every step of the customer journey is optimized for success. This focus on conversion rates is crucial for businesses looking to increase their revenue and improve their marketing return on investment. Additionally, Go High Level integrates calendars and booking systems, facilitating efficient operations for service-based businesses. This feature allows clients to schedule appointments directly through the platform, reducing the back-and-forth communication often associated with booking. By automating appointment reminders and confirmations, businesses can enhance customer experience while minimizing no-shows. This seamless integration of scheduling tools not only improves operational efficiency but also helps maintain a professional image. In summary, Go High Level offers a robust suite of features that enhance marketing efforts by managing client relationships, automating marketing tasks, optimizing sales funnels for conversions, and integrating calendars and booking systems. This all-in-one platform empowers businesses to streamline their operations, improve customer engagement, and ultimately drive growth in a competitive landscape. The fifth tool is Merlin, a cutting-edge tool designed to enhance productivity for digital marketers by leveraging advanced AI models that streamline various aspects of their work. One of the standout features of Merlin is its ability to conduct quick research and generate content efficiently. By utilizing sophisticated AI algorithms, marketers can access relevant information and insights in a fraction of the time it would typically take. This capability allows them to stay ahead of trends, create timely content, and respond to market changes swiftly, ultimately improving their overall effectiveness in executing marketing strategies. Additionally, Merlin offers a powerful content summarization feature that aids in efficient information assimilation. In the fast-paced world of digital marketing, professionals often encounter vast amounts of data and content. Merlin simplifies this process by condensing lengthy articles, reports, and studies into concise summaries, enabling marketers to grasp essential points quickly. This feature not only saves time but also ensures that marketers can focus on the most relevant information, enhancing their decision-making and strategy development. Furthermore, Merlin's translation capabilities significantly broaden a marketer's reach and facilitate communication across diverse audiences. In an increasingly globalized market, the ability to communicate effectively in multiple languages is crucial. Merlin allows users to translate content seamlessly, ensuring that marketing messages resonate with audiences regardless of their language. This feature empowers businesses to expand their market presence and engage with potential customers from different cultural backgrounds, fostering inclusivity and enhancing brand loyalty. In summary, Merlin enhances productivity for digital marketers through the integration of advanced AI models for quick research and content generation. It also has a content summarization feature for efficient information assimilation and translation capabilities that broaden reach and facilitate communication. By streamlining these processes, Merlin enables marketers to focus on strategy and creativity, driving better results in their campaigns. The sixth tool is Be Human, an innovative platform that empowers businesses to create personalized videos tailored specifically for their audience, enhancing engagement and fostering deeper connections. The process begins with users creating template videos that serve as a foundation for customization. These templates can include various elements such as branding, messaging, and visual styles. This allows businesses to maintain a consistent look while personalizing content for individual recipients. By simply inputting specific details, such as the recipient's name or preferences, users can generate unique videos that resonate on a personal level. This makes each viewer feel valued and recognized. The benefits of personalized videos are significant, particularly in improving engagement and response rates. Research has shown that personalized content captures attention more effectively than generic messaging, leading to higher open rates and increased viewer retention. When audiences see their names or relevant information in a video, they are more likely to engage with the content, share it, and respond positively. This heightened engagement can translate into better conversion rates, making personalized videos a powerful tool for marketing campaigns. Additionally, Be Human offers seamless integration with various applications, streamlining the campaign process for users. Whether it's connecting with email marketing platforms, customer relationship management systems, or social media channels, Be Human ensures that personalized videos can be easily distributed across multiple platforms. This integration simplifies the workflow, allowing marketers to focus on crafting compelling content rather than managing complex logistics. In summary, Be Human facilitates the creation of personalized videos through customizable templates, significantly enhancing engagement and response rates. Its ease of integration with various apps further streamlines campaign execution, making it an invaluable resource for businesses looking to connect with their audiences in a meaningful way. By leveraging personalized video content, companies can foster stronger relationships and drive better results in their marketing efforts. Now check out this video for more AI new tools for marketing secrets. Also, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more informative content that can help you thrive in the digital marketing space.